Hello everyone. The agenda of this video is to show you how to access online classes through Moodle LMS platform. As the first step of this online teaching or learning platform, your mentor will provide you a Moodle site link, an user ID and a password. So suppose this is the Moodle site link which provided by your mentor. Just copy that link and open a new tab, then paste that link in the address bar. You all know this is the address bar. You should paste that link, that is the link which provided by the mentor, here in the address bar. Then click next or enter. So here it will appear a window like this. You can see a window like this which shows what is Moodle, a video which is showing what is Moodle platform and all. To access those pages, you should log in. You can see login option in the upper right corner of your window. So log in that. To log in to the Moodle site, you should give an user ID and password. You can use the user ID and password which provided by your mentor. Here I already kept an user ID and password, so I am logging with that credentials. After getting login, you will see a window like this. Okay. Now, in the left hand side corner, you can see some options here, that is dashboard, site home, calendar, private files, like that. In this session, you can also see your course names like this. Here, I have enrolled 2 courses, that is SDC FTP and BSc Medical Biochemistry. Okay, these are the 2 courses which I enrolled in my Moodle site. For you guys, there will be almost about 7 to 8 courses, or more than 10 courses will be there in the left hand side. You should select the respective course, that is which subject you are going to deal with. So you should select which course and which subject you are going to dealing with. Now here I am going to select this BSc Medical Biochemistry course. Just click on that. Here in this page, you can see some introduction portion, that is introduction about your course. Then your mentor, who and all are going to give you the lectures. Then you can see some activities and resources which you are going to attend in this academic year, your syllabus. All such things you can see in your your course page. Okay, in that you can see here a day 1, right? You can see here day 1. Here I denoted this as I named this folder as day 1. That is my first day of my class, that is day 1. You can click here. In this day 1 folder, you can see in this day 1 folder, you can see my first topic is renal function test. So that I gave some notes here and our tutorial session about this renal function test. You can click this play button to play those tutorials which provided by your mentor, right? It will take some time because my network is very poor here. You can keep it in full screen by clicking full screen option here. After listening this tutorial session, you can press escape button to minimize that and click stop. Okay, this is how you are going to play your tutorial session. And keep in mind that in some cases you can see only the video session, that is a tutorial video session, as your classes. there will not be such description or such notes like this. And next part of your video or your tutorial, next our tutorial will be here, mentioned here. You can see it in the table of contents or in the right hand side portion, that is RFT part 2. Here I mentioned as RFT part 2. You can click that. In that second topic, I uploaded just a tutorial video only. I didn't give any description or such things. I just gave a tutorial video only here. Here also same way, you can click this play button to view the tutorial session. Then after that, next point I have to explain is, if you have any queries or questions or doubts regarding this tutorial, you can ask directly in this platform itself. To access those things, you should go to your course session. Here our course session is BSc Medical Biochemistry. Just click on that tab. There you can see an icon like this. This is an icon of forum. So you can see an icon like this. Here you can see share your doubts. In some Moodle site you can see doubts, or some Moodle session you can see comments and queries like that. Okay. According to your Moodle site, you can choose the option. Then click on that. If you have any doubt regarding those tutorial which provided by your mentor, you just click on that, and here you can click add a new discussion topic. To ask your doubt, you can click add a new discussion topic. Then here give heading, that is about what subject you have doubt. Here I am going to write renal function test. And my doubt is how one is related with renal function test, RFT. This is my doubt. Okay. So after typing my doubt or queries, you can post to forum. Okay. After typing your question or your doubt, you can post your forum. Just click on that. After that, you can see a page like this. It denotes your post was successfully added. You have 30 minutes to edit it if you want to make any changes, and your mentor will be notified your doubt, and you will get feedback in this open forum itself according to your doubt. Okay, this is how you can ask your doubt or queries related to the topic which your mentor provided. Right, this is how you are going to handle this Moodle site. I'm repeating, that is, to access this Moodle site, after login, you can see your login credential in here, and then after login, go to the left hand side of the portion. There you can select your course or subject. If you are dealing with instrumentation subject or metabolism subject or pathology subject or whatever it may be, there will be a subject named course. Here the course will be as instrumentation or pathology, hematology, parasitology, like that. Clear? And according to your course, you should select those course, go to your course page, then click day 1 option. Here I denoted as day 1. Suppose your mentor may provide, instead of day 1, they may provide the date, the corresponding date they may provide. Suppose if I'm uploading some topics today, I can give the date, that is 07, 09 and 2020. Then after clicking that date, you can access your study materials. I hope you understand the topics which I deal with. If you have any doubts, you can ask me directly. Thank you.